In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail reverse conversation order. If your email threads suddenly look upside down or replies appear out of sequence. This quick refresh usually straightens things out without changing any of your messages. We'll do it right inside Gmail on a desktop browser. And it only takes a minute. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. Look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the small panel that appears, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. By default, you'll land on the General tab, which is where we need to be. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Conversation View. Conversation View is Gmail's threading feature. It groups emails with the same subject into a single thread and decides how messages are stacked within that thread. When the order looks reversed or replies don't appear where you expect. Toggling this setting can force Gmail to rebuild the thread properly. Turn Conversation View off. After you select off, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload your inbox. When it does, threads will temporarily appear as separate individual emails, which is normal with Conversation View off. Now repeat the process to turn it back on. Click the gear icon again, choose See All Settings. Make sure you are still on the General tab and find Conversation View. This time, switch it back to on. Once again, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh, and your emails will be grouped into conversations again. That simple off and on cycle forces Gmail to rethread your conversations and recalculate the internal order of messages. It often fixes issues where newer replies sink to the bottom. Older messages jump to the top or parts of the thread seem out of place. Your emails, labels, stars, and attachments remain intact. You are just refreshing how Gmail organizes them. If you work across multiple accounts, confirm you are toggling settings in the correct inbox. Also note that this adjustment applies to the web version. The mobile apps manage Conversation View separately and may display threads a bit differently. If you use keyboard shortcuts or custom inbox types, those won't affect this fix. Once you've turned Conversation View back on and saved your changes, open one of the problem threads and check the order. In most cases, the conversation will now read in the expected top-to-bottom flow with the latest reply right where it belongs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Gmail threads back in order.